Sewer camera inspection at 23935 South Sun Vista Drive in Sun Lakes. We have two ABS cleanouts right by the driveway here. We do have some water running in the hallway bathroom towards the back of the house. Hopefully that'll give us some direction in the pipe. Definitely a few rocks at the bottom of this cleanout, just because the cleanouts are so close to the ground level. So this likely connects up with another drain pipe. That's why we didn't see water until we got to the bottom of the cleanout here. So you see that hole on the top side of the screen there? That's going to be the cleanout that takes us the other direction. There's two cleanouts because each one goes a separate way. One goes under the house, one goes out to the street. Looks like we're going out to the street. This one. For any bellies in the pipes, any cracks, any offset joints where they connect. If they moved around a little bit, you'll see a separation within the joints. It's got a minor offset in that pipe. You can see that it's a little bit wider gapped at the bottom than it is at the top. I'm going to try and run a little bit more water. Maybe that'll help me get down the pipe. That's as far as I can get with my camera head. There's just too many turns and bends in the pipe. To get any farther, it's getting really tight in the lines. And as you follow the camera back, you'll see that we went through like 5 or 6 different bends, and that really limits the examination or the length of pipe that I can actually go out. So under the street at this point. Now we're going to try and go down that clean out and go the other direction. You can see there is just a lot of corners, a lot of bending in the pipe here just in order to get out. Then that filled up with rocks in the clean out here. Restart my video, the light went out. Okay, so I'm restarting the video of the pipe that goes underneath the house. You can see that we're set at 0 right here at the clean outs. Check our connections. Connection looks good. And 31 feet would be the end of that drain line. That'll go up to the roof, venting out the roof. ABS lines look good. Hello.
Hi, sir. You doing some work?
Good, yeah, doing a sewer scope.
Oh, gotcha. I'm a real estate agent. I had an appointment to come see the house. I know it's under contract, but they said it's okay if I just do a quick walkthrough.
You'll have to ask the other home inspector that's inside if it's okay with him. He's the one that's got his name on the place.
Okay.
Yeah, his name's Nick. He's in the kitchen.
You got it. I'll go ask him.
Oh, where'd you go?
I said we can come in, but I don't want to, need an inspection. Yeah.
Hey, no problem.
I will, thank you. Bye-bye. Are you doing the sewer scope?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
Are you?
I'm Liz.
You're Liz. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think they have an appointment.
I don't think they do either, because my clients have bought this house.
Yep.
So.
You might
I'm
want
gonna
to.
go talk to them.
Yep. They're in there talking to Nick right now.
Okay.
Yep. Sorry about that, but I don't see anything major going on in the drain lines. Just got some random people wanting to look at the house while we're here. Not a big deal. just another distraction. But if you have any questions about this swim camera inspection, the home inspection, get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan, or your home inspector, Mr. Nick Alati. Alati's Inspection Service. We'll help you out the best we can.